What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial using one of the newest palettes. Well, it's a newest palette that Juvias just put out. This is a collaboration with Yami Angelina. Before this palette dropped, I had no clue who she was, but you know what? I was like, I'm going to buy it. So yes, I'm going to be doing this look right here for you guys. And also I will have swatches at the end of the video. I always do it after the eye portion of it. I just like the flow of that better. So the swatches of this palette would be at the end of the eye tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. Follow your girl on the gram, okay? Now that school, by the way, I was gone this whole week because I am in grad school and I had finals. But now that I have the next 5 weeks off, I definitely want to be posting more IG tutorials. Definitely have more time to just get a lot of content out. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows fully filled in. I use the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and to prime my eyes, I use the P. Louise base in Rumor 3. So today we're gonna be playing around with this palette right here. This is the La Mariposa palette, and this is in collaboration with Yami Angelina and Juvias Place. I'm excited. Okay, I need a nice blending brush. Where is my okay, yeah, here we go. All right, so I kind of want to just jump right into this shade right here. I want to see how that's gonna look on my skin. So let's just go ahead and take that brown shade and put that all in the crease. I like this. This color looks really pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna like top it over, and I'm gonna use the same exact brush. It's interesting that they chose to release this palette or this collab palette at the end of the year during like all the, you know, Christmas sales and Christmas holiday palettes and all that stuff. I really feel like they should have, I mean, granted, I don't know when this palette was supposed to release because I feel like with COVID, we just have to give everyone like, you know, that room for like, this might have came out at a different time. Because I feel like this palette would have been really appropriate for spring. I mean, granted, you can wear this stuff whenever you want to, but I feel like in the midst of all this holiday, you know, they just have their Walhalla 2 palette, the Royal, that collection with the purple and the orange palette, those, I just feel like we should have finished holiday off strong, and then this would have been beautiful to launch during springtime, really give that shine to this palette. But anyways, this looks really good. I like the way these two colors like merge into each other. Y'all, I see my phone going off. My friends are What do you people want? Bruh. Okay, I swear, like, y'all, it's 11:40. 11:40, okay? No one was texting that phone. Now that I am sitting here doing this, I have to start filming with my phone on Do Not Disturb because I don't know why it irritates me so bad. So normally with palettes, when I'm doing like a review on a brand new palette, I like to stick to the palette to create an entire look. But I'm gonna be very honest, this is not cutting it for me. I don't like light, airy type of looks like this. So I'm gonna jump into another palette real quick to give myself a little bit of depth because that palette lacks it. I'm gonna actually go into the Magic palette by Juvias Place. And if I can open it, and I want to play with, I don't know if I want to do this color because it's like a dark purple or blue. Now that I have it open, because I actually had the intention of using this shade right here, but now that I have it opened, I'm going to play with this one. Okay, so I'm going to go into that shade. I'm just going to go ahead and pack this on right here. Sorry, this is cheating, but I just can't. Like, I need a little bit, some more. So I'm just going to place this down. Taking this blending brush that's like, there's nothing on here, I'm just gonna blend the edges of this out. Actually, no, I'm gonna take the Luxie brush that I was using and I'm gonna just blend this out first, and then I might go back in with that brush. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, I'm not really cutting my crease. I'm just gonna take some more of, sorry. I put my eye primer on this like thing right here. You can get this off Amazon. But I'm gonna take a little bit more of my primer, and I need to get close up. I'm gonna use my phone because I have a mirror screen protector. Oh wait, it's a mirror. I need to clean my screen, but yeah. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna bring it a little bit more out right here, the primer. just because I do want to use that yellow shade, and I need like a fresh base of that yellow color, and the Yami palette pops out a little bit more. So essentially that yellow shade is going to be like my inner corner highlight, but with the way my eye shape is, I don't feel like I have a natural inner corner highlight type of eye, like where I could just be doing my whole eye and just pop it. You know how some people, they could just like put it there? I feel like my eye shape, that don't work. I never like the way it looks, and I end up blending it away. Oh, by the way, my phone case is from AliExpress. I will link it down below in case anybody wants it. It was a couple of dollars, but just be patient because you're not gonna get it anytime soon. If you end up wanting it or buying it, or anything from AliExpress in general, just be patient. But anyways, so jumping back into her palette, I need a brush like this. I'm gonna go into that yellow color, and I'm just gonna put this down. Ooh. This is a really pretty yellow. I don't think Juvia's Place has a yellow like this in their entire lineup. Because I know they have the Warrior 3 palette, but that yellow is not like this yellow. Like, this is a really pretty yellow. Gorgeous. This yellow, phenomenal. Okay, so of course I'm gonna jump into this pink shade. Like, I love pink. So taking this brush, I'm gonna go into this. And I'm just gonna place this down. Yeah, I need to get closer again. Ooh, this is a pretty color. It's like pink, but it has like reflex of blue in there. Oh my goodness, this is an absolutely stunning shade. So I am getting like a little bit of like fallout, like when I'm placing it on. Granted, I am grabbing a lot of shadow. It's going on really well without anything being sprayed onto it, but I kind of want to spray it because I want a different type of look to this. So I'm gonna take this Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna have to go back and do the other eye like this too, but let me see how this looks sprayed. So it kind of looks the same. No, actually it does look the same. The only difference is that it's going on much easier. It's not like dust particles, I don't want to say dust particles, shadow particles just flying everywhere. So yeah, if you have that issue when you're grabbing a shadow and it's just kind of like, whoosh, just spray your brush down. And then also it will give more of like a foiled look, especially if the shadows that you're probably using are a little lackluster. You can just do that. Having a screen protector that is a mirror is very, very handy. My phone isn't cracked, the screen protector is. And I know I get these off Amazon. I'm gonna link it all down below. I'm gonna link the phone case, the screen protector, in case you want that. Okay, I like this. Now I'm gonna go back in with that yellow shade, and I'm just gonna start trying to merge these two colors together. Actually, you know what? No. I'm gonna take this brush I was using to put that pink shade on, and I'm gonna go over that yellow color. It's kind of hard to do this because it is a matte shadow to like blend these two shades together, but I wanted to use this yellow. Okay, and I want to do it. I'm gonna do it. I want to go into this blue shade right here. I'm just gonna take my finger, and I want to just like place that down. See how that looks. Just like right here. I don't really want to bring it too high up. This is pretty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. Ooh, I look like an intergalactic girl. Okay. Hey, when I was in high school, y'all remember that show Schoolhouse Rock? You have to remember it if you went to school. At least if you went to school here in America. Y'all remember like when we were in social studies? Before it was called history, when we got to like middle school, high school. Schoolhouse Rock, it was like, oh, I'm just a bill. Yes, I'm only a bill. And I'm sitting here on Capitol Hill. Whatever. Okay, so in high school, I used to do theater arts because I wanted to be an actress at one point in my life. Yeah, no. But we had a school play and it was a Schoolhouse Rock. And I got the part of Interplanet Janet, and I had like roller skates and fog machines, and I was on stage rolling around. Interplanet Janet, she's a galaxy girl. I don't remember the rest of the words, but anyways, yeah, I feel like Interplanet Janet. Like, if I knew I did my makeup back in high school, I would have done this. Okay. This is so pretty. I love it. Okay. Wheat baby. Look at you just looking like one sweet something. Baby girls. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. All right, so this is this look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I'm gonna put lashes on, do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna be back to give you guys swatches and my final thoughts on this palette. And then also I wanna compare the pinks in the Sweet Pinks palette from Juvia's Place to the pink in this one. So I'm gonna do swatches and show you guys all of that. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds, like now. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and before we get into the swatches, let me just show you guys what I have on my lips. I have the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner on, and then I have it topped over with the Fenty Beauty Gal on the Moon. Mine is broken, so it leaks. I don't know how I broke it, but this was limited edition, so I don't think you guys can get this anymore because it's no longer being sold. Oh, and then also for my waterline, where's it at? Where did I put it at? Also for my waterline, I took the Sephora collection. This is their it's their crayon, and it's in the shade My Boyfriend's Jeans. And then I just took the dark purple that I put out here on my outer V, and then also like that light peach shade from this palette underneath here, and that was that. So let's go ahead and get into the swatches. Alrighty, so these are the swatches right here. So that is absolutely beautiful. I like the Juvia's Place pressed glitter formula, especially the ones that come in the 6-pan. This one is very similar to the other two palettes, the purple, the Royal Glow, and Nubian Royal, whatever it's called. Very similar quality. I like their pressed glitters. So now I'm gonna go into the Sweet Pinks palette, and I'm gonna compare it to this shade because I wanna see what they look like and see if there's any similarities. And looking at it just from the pans, I don't think there is. Yeah, no, they're completely different. So the one on the top is the one from the Yami palette, and the one on the bottom is from the Sweet Pinks. Very, very different. And I don't think there's anything else in my Juvia's Place collection, because I'm looking at the palettes right now. Nothing else is similar to this. Okay, cool. All right, so what are my thoughts on this palette? I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. It retails for $15. And as you guys know, I am a Juvia's Place fanatic, okay? I am a collector. I have every single palette they've ever put out. But I have to step out of Whitney, the collector, and become Whitney, a more rational human being. So based off of this palette, I feel like there's two types of people when it comes to makeup. There's people who they can have 5 palettes going and just be dipping and dabbing and grabbing. And there's people who they just kind of work with one palette. And I have found that for myself, I preferably like to just work with one palette. I like to challenge myself. I wouldn't even say challenge myself, but I like to be able to just create different looks with that palette and stick to that theme. Not saying that I'm not open to using different palettes, but I will say with this one, like I've had this palette for a week. I'm just now filming with it. And I just could not come up with a look that I would like. And based off of the way I like to do my makeup, I don't like those very soft, airy looks, like, you know, just a little brown in the crease and then a shimmer all over. I don't like that. I don't. I like to be able to have some type of depth to my eyeshadow. So, I mean, I bought this because I like to collect their palettes. But if I wasn't a collector, if I wasn't any of that, I was just like a regular consumer who, you know, thinks a little more rationally when it comes to buying makeup, I probably would not pick this up. Or if I did, I would wait till it's on sale. It's a beautiful palette to pair with other themes, but on its own, like, I just feel like I'm very limited with what I can do with this palette. Like, I mean, you're gonna be doing the same kind of thing, and I don't know, I just felt very limited. So if you do want this palette, but you're kind of like me, you're just like, I don't know, I would wait till it's on sale. And I will say with collaboration palettes, because Juvia's Place is always running sales, but I will say with collaboration palettes, you know, obviously the person they're collabing with has to make money and everything, you know, they got a cost operation, all that stuff. So I will say they don't allow you to apply like those really big sales and discounts right away. But if this palette's still available and they're doing more sales, usually it does fall into that. Now, unfortunately, I don't ever get to partake in Juvia's Place's sales. Like, they be having some really good sales, and I mean, obviously I always buy things right when it comes out because I do YouTube videos. So, I mean, YouTube is very time sensitive, but it's okay because I make my money back in AdSense. So the revenue that I'm gonna get off this video is gonna be able to pay for this palette. I just had to buy it. But, well, I didn't have to buy it, but you know, I bought it and I didn't want to wait to wait till it was like on sale or something. So yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty palette. It really wants to focus on that picture. Y'all like my picture of my friends? Let me show y'all. We went to Cancun earlier before it shut down. By the way, the chair was like this because as you can see, clearly Kiana is not that light. But yeah, the chairs were like that. But yeah, this is us. That's the picture that y'all see back here. We had so much fun and then the whole world shut down. But anyways, yes, I mean, it's up to you. I personally, if I didn't do YouTube, I probably wouldn't have bought this if I wasn't a collector of Juvia's place. Probably would not have bought this palette. But yeah, it retails for $15. There's plenty of influencers that have discount codes, so you can save 10% off right away. Now, I was able to put a 10% discount code on this, and I did save money that way. But if you want like a bigger sale, you just kind of have to like keep watch. But Juvia's place is always doing sales. But yeah, that's kind of it to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh wait, before we close the video, I just want to say a happy holidays to each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys show me. You don't understand. Thank you to everyone who likes my videos, who leaves comments, who engages with my content, who has just, you know, subscribed to me. Thank you so much. It truly, truly means the world to me. You don't understand. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys have truly been a blessing to my life, and I pray that God continues to bless you guys. I pray that he blesses you with the desires of your hearts, and I pray that his countenance continues to shine upon you. Thank you so much. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow your girl on Instagram. I'm so annoying. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.